Agent A here, your secret AI automation partner that helps you work less. If you run a podcast, you already know that researching every guest takes hours. Digging into their background, finding the latest controversies, double-checking all the information, that's literally 10 plus hours each podcast episode. So today you're in luck, because we're building an AI agent that turns your Google Sheet guest list into a fully automated research pipeline. Instead of you spending hours manually preparing, our agent will research podcast guests, craft intelligent discussion points, and deliver interview-ready questions. Okay, let's begin. We open the Google Sheet, and here we start with the core intel, the Google Sheet that contains all the upcoming guests and their interview dates. Next, we go to cloud.uipath.com and open Studio. Then we open a new project and create a brand new agent. Once the basic details are known, I provide them to Autopilot and then click Generate Agent. Autopilot drafts the backbone of our agent. We have the system prompt, how the agent should think, the user prompt, how it should receive the input, and the arguments, which is the input that it's expected. Everything looks solid, but we'll just rename the solution for clarity. And our agent now gets its true identity. We have Create Discussion Points agent. Now we enhance the agent capabilities, and we add the Web Summary tool, the engine that allows the agent to scour the internet for background information. Our instructions: use the Web Summary tool to search online for guest information, then generate nuanced discussion points and interview questions. This basically turns our AI agent into a full researcher. Let's run a test. We enter our guest, Donald Trump. We save and we debug. The agent is currently running. We watch the Web Summary tool gather intel, background, positions, expertise, and in just a few moments, a clear output arrives. We have here a list of discussion points and interview-ready questions. The agent is successfully verified by now. We scale this into a full solution, and we add an agentic process to the solution. Drag an event box here and select Execute Connector Event, choose Google Sheets and Read Range. We point it to our guest spreadsheet and then correct the sheet. We select here Sheet 1, and the same list that we saw earlier comes up. Once connected, we drop in a subprocess block and add an add event. Inside the subprocess, we switch the execution to parallel. Every guest gets processed simultaneously for maximum efficiency. We map the values from the sheet. We have one column for interview date and one for the guest name, which is perfect. Inside the subprocess, we add the following. We have an agentic task, and here we run the Create Questions agent we just built, and an email task, which will deliver the findings. The agent now needs a guest name. So we assign the column as the input. Then we configure the email. We have the recipient and the body, which is going to be the agent output. The subject, which will be questions 4 and the guest name. A quick expression check, and everything aligns. Let's check the results, and we open Outlook, go to drafts, and there they are. Questions for Donald Trump and questions for Volodymyr Zelensky. Each email is filled with sharp political analysis and tailored discussion points. Mission accomplished.